I'm going to say something that might sound a bit boring, but it's probably the most important thing for growing on YouTube right now. It's not your editing, it's not your thumbnails, it's not even the algorithm, it's this: how specific your channel is. And I know it doesn't sound exciting, but I've actually tested this properly over the past year because I grew a Warhammer channel to over 10,000 subscribers. Not with crazy videos, not with insane production, just with being ridiculously specific about my niche. And once I saw how well that worked, it completely changed how I looked at YouTube. You see, the problem that most people have is this: most channels are kind of vague. Not bad, just pretty unclear. A bit of this, a bit of that, different topics, audiences, styles, and it feels like you're doing more, but you're actually just making it harder to grow. The reason that this kills your growth is because YouTube doesn't know who to show your content to, and more importantly, viewers don't know what they're getting. So when someone watches one video, there's no obvious next step for them on your channel, and that basically breaks everything down. Growth on YouTube isn't just about getting one video to work anymore, it's about building momentum. And momentum only happens when your content connects with other content. So this is what I did differently. And I did this without realizing at first as well. With the Warhammer channel, everything just pointed in one direction. It was Warhammer lore, and that's it. Not gaming in general, not random topics, just clear, focused, and specific videos in the Warhammer lore niche. And it made everything 10 times easier for me. Ideas were easier, hooks were easier, titles were easier. Just everything about a very specific topic in a specific niche. I wasn't guessing anymore. I knew exactly who I was making content for. The topics were really obvious. Instead of what should I make, sitting there going, oh, it just became, what does a Warhammer fan want to know right now? So I made videos on things like the Emperor, key lore events, and breaking updates in the universe. Very clear and very targeted stuff that people would be wanting to watch or even looking for. And that's what worked. So let's talk about the algorithm, because this is important. When your niche is very clear, YouTube learns faster because it sees patterns in your content and patterns in your audience. It sees, okay, people who watch this video also watch this one, and then suddenly it knows exactly who to show your content to. So if you compare this to a vague channel, for example, if your content's all over the place a little bit, the algorithm can't lock in on your audience. So every video is a new reset of the algorithm. No momentum, no compounding, just randomness. This, I think, is the main reason why small channels tend to struggle. Not because they're necessarily bad, but because they're just unclear about their niche. And unclear content is hard to grow. So let's talk about the Warhammer channel and what actually happened. I didn't overthink it too much. I just kept making videos that were very specific for a very specific audience, consistently every few days, and over time it started to build. Not instantly, but steadily, because each video helped the next one. And it also helped me with my iteration. And I think this is the key bit. Each video wasn't a standalone, it was part of a whole system. Someone watched a video about the Emperor perhaps, and then another and another. And then that's session time, that's momentum, and that's growth. As we know, session time is the most important growth factor on YouTube in 2026. But this is the bit that most people miss. You're not just making videos, you're building a content ecosystem. And if everything connects, people will stay longer on your channel. If nothing does, then they'll leave. It's very, very simple when you think about it. I didn't need to do crazy editing, viral ideas, these big complex strategies. I didn't hire like $500 editors for every video. I just did all this myself. I just needed clarity of my niche and consistency and iteration of what worked, and that was it. So this is what I'd tell you to do if you're stuck right now or just starting. Pick a niche that's very specific, understandable, and repeatable. Like this YouTube growth channel niche that I'm doing here, for example. Don't do something too broad, not vague, make it very, very specific. A bad example would be something like self-improvement. It's way too wide and way too unclear. YouTube isn't going to know who to push that to. A better example would be how to grow on YouTube for beginners, like this channel, for example. This is where we're going to start getting somewhere. Even better, make it how small creators can grow in 2026. Very, very clear audience, very clear angle. And that's the level that you want to be at in terms of your consistency of niche, because that's what really will build connections. There is a fear that I always think about. What if I get bored? What if I want to post other things? And yeah, I do get this, but the trade-off is if you have clarity of your channel, you will grow. And if you have variety, the algorithm will continue to be confused and you'll never grow. You can expand later, or like I do, make new channels. I'm doing 5 or 6 channels right now. Some of them for fun, some of them for business, some of them to try and grow them, like this one. If you want to do multiple things, do multiple channels, or just do one thing for a few months until you feel like you've got the hang of it, and then do something else, expand. You don't have to just do one thing forever, but at the start you do need to focus on one thing so that you can get started properly. The more specific that you are, the easier it will be to grow. The more vague you are, the harder it becomes. And it's a compounding effect in either direction, by the way. Once the algorithm understands your audience and your audience understands your content, everything will speed up. Videos perform better, people come back, growth becomes more consistent. And I know at the start, it will feel like nothing's happening, but you're building clarity with the algorithm, and clarity will compound. That Warhammer channel that I made, it didn't grow because of any kind of luck. It grew because it was very simple, focused and specific. The algorithm knew who to show it to, and that's something you can replicate. You don't need to be smarter or more creative, you just need to be clearer with your content, because on YouTube, clarity scales. So if you want to understand how to turn that clarity into longer watch time and faster growth, that's exactly what I broke down in this video here. Because being specific gets you seen, but keeping people watching, that's what takes you to the next level.